Hi everyone. So I just want to give you a tutorial on how to solve your root finding problems for the numerical method class. So in this example, I want to use solve the function x cubed minus 2 by using the bisection method. And our initial guess that are given are 1 and 2. Okay. So the lower x is 1.0 and upper x is 2.0. So now, what is bisection method? I want to tell you that uh, the first iteration will be using the initial guesses to find a middle point, which is m. So m will be used to to plug in into the function to calculate the residual, and then from the residual, you want to decide which one to update. So if the residual is more than 0, you would want to update xu or upper x and make it m. And if the residual is less than 0, so you'd want to update the lower x, which is xl, for the next iteration. Okay. Um, Now I want to show you on how to use the calculator efficiently on to make the iterations.
So first you want to store your XU and XU and XL as B and A. XL as A and XU as B. So in this case, we want to store 1 to A. So press 1 shift store and just press your variable that you want to store. Next, you want to store the second variable, which is the upper X. Okay, now you have your variable stored as A and B. Now to find the middle point, we will use the formula A plus B, which is the average. Now you see that now this is your M. So what you want to do is calculate M in the function that you're trying to solve. So in this case, it's just use answer cube minus 2, and now you should get your residual.
So from your first iteration, you will want to input your values into the table. And now you can see that the residual, which is f of m, is more than 0. So what you want to do is now follow this rule and update your xl and xu for the next iteration. So in this case, our residual is more than 0. So the xl is the same, but the xu is updated to 1.5.
So now that you have updated your A and B, or XL and XU, in the second iteration, you can just update, since A should be the same and B will be updated, so I will update B as 1.5. Okay, so now that you have updated B, you want to go back and use the previous function that you have given just to calculate. Okay, and now you will get the next M. So now you have 1.25. You will want to just put this, you just want to calculate this function again, and you should get the answer for the second iteration.
So after you input your results, you'll see that from this iteration, the residual from 1.25 is negative. So what you want to do is now you want to update your x lower or xl as m. Now from this iteration, I'm going to go through the calculations very quickly. So there you go, guys. You can stop when your root repeats twice at four significant figures, and the answer is 1.260. As a summary, I've showed you how to use a calculator efficiently to solve a nonlinear function using the bisection method. And this technique can be used with any other method in your numerical method class, which will help you to save time in your exams. And I hope this helps.